When a customer chooses Renault Trucks,
Quand un client fait le choix de Renault Trucks,
It motivates me,
Moi.
Ami,
Me,
Ia,
Ami.
Bene.
Per me.
and me.
But more importantly,
It motivates all of us.
Together.
We are proud of our history,
our diversity,
and our human values.
Bir müşteri Renault Trucks seçimi yaptığında,
quando un cliente sceglie Renault Trucks,
It motivates us.
on the long term,
thanks to the reliability and robustness of our trucks.
Focused on what's key in our
Processes.
Our discussions,
our decisions,
and our solutions,
always striving for efficiency.
but our choices are not only technical.
they're also human.
because
For us,
the comfort of the drivers, the well-being
and peace of mind of our customers and our partners
Is at the heart of our business.
Когда клиент выбирает Renault Trucks,
Quando o cliente escolhe a Renault Trucks,
it motivates us.
every day.
on the job, alongside them.
We must listen to them, understand their business
their priorities.
and their obligations.
Our agreement is to offer them simple,
Reliable,
Scalable,
and cost-effective solutions to help them succeed.
Because their success,
Is our success.
Quando un cliente elige Renault Trucks,
als een klant kiest voor Renault Trucks,
It commits us keeping our promises.
To offer the best.
from the local network
within a global group. Because our customers
Are also our partners.
and we work together.
simply and pragmatically.
Notre intelligence est collective.
Our intelligence is collective.
trust is what drives us.
This link,
Is our strength.
it establishes Renault Trucks
Firmly in the future.
So, when a customer chooses Renault Trucks,
We
know that they are making
the right choice.